Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 144 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قد نرى تقلب وجهك في السماء. قد Qaf is heavy. So we'll write capital H. The abbreviation of heavy letters are H. So we will write capital H. Qad, and Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Kutubujatin are the letters, and Dal is one of them. Whenever it is with sukoon, they will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You will block, you will cut down the makhraj very sharply, and then you will open it to make it obvious, and this is what qalqala is. Qad, na is short. Ra is 2 counts long here because we treat this standing fatha just like a big alif. So if you wanted to write it another way, it can be written like this. So this will be 2 counts long because it matches the long combination. Alif sakina, before alif sakina there should be fatha. Waw sakina, there should be dhamma, and ya sakina, there should be kasra. And these are the 3. Ya sakina, there should be kasra. So these 3 are the naturally long vowels. So this is long too because it matches the first combination. Nara, and ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, this is always heavy. Here it is heavy. The heavy ra sounds like ra. So ra, nara, ta is short. Qal for qaf is heavy, attached with lam, and then lam has dhamma. The sound is short. You have to circle your lips very well. Taqallu, lu, ba is short. Waji for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, they will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Wajihi for kasra, give e sound, ka short. Wajihika, fis for kasra, give e sound. Don't drop this e sound. Fi, fis. It's not fis. It's not fis. It's fis. Fi. First say fi. What is the sound of kasra? Ba kasra. B, T, Thi, G, and fi. So fi will be attached with the sin. Fis, fis, and sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It will get sifa of, and safi, there should be a whistle sound. The sound should flow very well. Fis, sa. For fatha is very short. Sa, ma. Whenever this hamza is at the end, where you are giving sukoon, and there is mad letter before it, this hamza will get sifa of nabar. Will give it a nabar. Fis-sama, it's like a hiccup or something. You choked your throat. Now this is the sound. There should be this sound, this for hamza when you are giving nabar. Nabar is a raise of your sound, right? So fis-sama, for hums. Whenever you look at the hum, you give hums. Whenever you look at the fa, you give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Whenever you come to phrase fa, give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. Fa, la is short. Nu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Well for wow, fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Wali for kasra, give e sound, and the sound is very short. Li, this e sound should be there. Li, yen. Yeah is a very soft letter attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. Yen. And fatha is short. Na, yen, na, ka. Ka is light. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Na, ka. طيبة. For qaf, the qaf is heavy. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. طيبة. La. La is short. Tang. This is idgham. With gunna, you're merging the sound of tanween into ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is why it is called with gunna. Qiblatan taw. Ta is light. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy here because whenever you find fatha before sakin ra, this will be heavy. Taw. Bo is heavy and it is 2 counts long because it matches the first combination, because we consider this as standing fatha just like a long alif. So if you wanted to write it in another way, you can write it like this. Bo, bo. Ha is 2 counts long too. ترضاها fa will get hums and attach fa wow. For wow, circle your lips, attach with lam, and then lam has a kasra, and that the sound is very short. Fa li wa. For wow, circle your lips, attach with jim, waji. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Waji ha. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ha, ka. Ka is light. For fatha, open your jaws. Sorry. Open your jaws. Shato. Shato. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of qalqala. Shato. Roll. Ra is heavy. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Shatrul mas. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with sin and sin will get sifa of rukhawa, sifa of safid. There should be a whistle sound in it. Masji. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Dil. The attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Dil. Ha. Ha should be from middle part of your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ha, ram. You are giving a waqf at the end, so you will give temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon, the 2 counts long vowel will be converted into 4 counts long. This is called mad arid li sukoon. So that will be Masjidil Haram. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Hay, half from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ya. This is madleen and it will take 2 counts long time. Hay, tu. For dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Kung, for dhamma, circle your lips. There is ikhfa, light ikhfa. You are keeping the sound in your nose. You are not pronouncing noon, going towards the makhraj of ta. Kung, tum, for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. As soon as you will say meme, the lips should be in a straight, normal position. Kuntum, and we will get sifa. Tawassut, fa, hums. Hums should be there for fa always. Fa, wallu, wow, that wow with lam, and then there's 2 counts long vowel on lam, because this matches the combination of second combination. Wow sakina, wow, before wow sakina there is dhamma. Fawallu. Wow is for wow, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ju is 2 counts long. make sure you circle your lips. Ha, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Ha, kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa up, tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will pronounce meme, your lips should be in a very straight, normal position. Shaqarah, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ta, ta will get sifa off. Qalqala, and ra will be heavy here. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is always heavy, and heavy ra sounds like ra, shaqarah. And now you are giving waqf at the end, so you are giving sukoon on ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Shaqarah, and how will, and look how has sound travels. Shaqarah. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. In, for kasra, give e sound, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. In, then this noon is attached with lam. Wa innal, for fatha, open your jaws. La, the sound is short. The, 2 counts long. Make sure you engage the right makhraj of dal by putting the tip of your tongue under the edge of your frontal two teeth. The sound is 2 counts long. The na is short. Oo, 2 counts long because it matches the second combination, which is waw sakina, and before waw sakina there is dhamma. Oo, tul, for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. That tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Are the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and lam is one of them. Utul ki, for kasra, give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. Ba, short. Kitaba, la, short. Yeah, for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ayn. Ayn should be from your throat, and ayn will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. La, yeah, la is short. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips, and it should be 2 counts long. La, mu, na is short. And for hamza should be from your throat. This sound is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with noon, and noon will get sifa of gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Anna, na is short. Hul, for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Hul, haq, for ha should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with qaf. Qaf is a heavy letter, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Haqu, mir, for kasra, give e sound, very clear e sound. Mirab, for and it is idgham without gunna. Mirab, then rab is attached with ba. For kasra, give e sound. Rabbi, him, again give kasra, e sound on ha, him, and give tawassut on mim. Him, mir rabbihim, ra over here will be heavy. Mir rabbihim. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. Mallahu, meme is light, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy here because you find fatha before it. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Wa mallah, saying law is heavy. Mallah, and this is 2 counts long. Who, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Wa mallahu bi, for kasra, give e sound. Gha, 2 counts long, and this is heavy. Ghafi, for kasra, give e sound. Lin, there is ifhar, and the sifa tawassut will be applied. Bi ghafilin. Ayn from your throat, the fatha, open your jaws, attached with meme. The sound of ayn should be short. There will be gunna. Whenever meme and noon are with tashdid, they will get sifa of akmal gunna. The sound, the gunna sound should be in your nose for a longer period of time. And then there is two counts long vowel ma, because it matches the first combination alif sakna. Before alif sakna there is fatha. Amma. Yeah, ain, yeah is very soft letter for fatha. Open your jaws, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat very clearly. Yeah, ma is short. Loon. For this tap sign, you are giving waqf, and for waqf, you will give sukoon on noon, and this temporary sukoon will change the two counts long vowel into four counts, and this is called mad arid lissakoon. Yeah, maloon. And noon will get sifa of tawassut. وَإِنَّ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ لَيَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا يَعْمَلُونَ. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.